Facebook also gives you the option to target people who've already interacted with your business, or people who are similar to your existing audience. We'll have a brief look at these advanced targeting options, and if you want to learn more, have a look at Facebook's documentation at the link below. In the ad set section of Facebook's Ads Manager, we have a field that is labeled Custom Audiences. Since we haven't defined any, click on Create New. You can now either pick Custom or Lookalike Audience, and we'll start with Custom Audience. A custom audience is defined as an audience that has previously interacted with your business, for example, subscribed to your newsletter, purchased an item in your store, or used your app. And in this pop-up window, you can see the choices that you have here. Your first option is to upload a file that has the contact information of your audience. Facebook will then match the data with its records and target your ad to the respective Facebook users. Customer file. Your second option is to target people who have visited your website or specific landing page. This requires you to have the Facebook pixel installed we learned about in a previous lesson. Website traffic is that choice. The third option is to target people who have taken a specific action in your mobile app. As you might recall from our lesson on objectives, your developer has to implement a piece of code called app events in your mobile app to do that. You would pick app activity. Your last option for building a custom audience is to create a subset of your Facebook users who have previously interacted with your content, for example, your Facebook page, and that option is called Engagement on Facebook. But since our client's goal is to target new users, we won't build a custom audience for her. However, if we go back to the Create New Custom Audience button, we have another option that is called Lookalike Audience. Here I can target people who are similar to those who already like OneDogWoof's Facebook page. I will just pick OneDogWoof as a source and leave the country as United States. OneDogWoof and United States. At the bottom of the screen, I can pick the audience size in percent of the whole country. Since there are about 200 million Facebook users in the US, 1% equals roughly 2 million people. 1% of the country, 2 or 2.1 million people. The higher the percentage I pick, the larger my potential reach gets, but the less similar to my existing users this audience actually will be. And since our budget is pretty small, we don't need a reach that's higher than 2 million people. So I'll leave it at 1% and just click on Create Audience here. And that's it. I have a lookalike audience, US 1%, people who like OneDogWoof, and we can use this for our Facebook campaign. Custom audiences and lookalike audiences are some of the most powerful targeting tools a marketer can find. You'll want to keep them on top of your toolbox in your career as a marketer.